Everyone to stay vigilant because COVID-19 is still a threat, and that's why the mask mandate is still in effect. But now most capacity limits for most businesses are lifted. Time restrictions on when bar and restaurants can sell alcohol, that's also lifted, but you still have to be seated at a table while at a bar. Most large indoor events would be capped at 50% and have a max of 500 people. It will be up to the local parish or city to decide if they want to allow those changes. As for New Orleans, city leaders have already said there will be no immediate changes to its modified Phase 3. So these state changes are not effective in the city of New Orleans. Government leaders say New Orleans will make its own announcement about changes and restrictions later on this week. And as Louisiana